Okay. See, after the discussion of problems related to De Moivre's theorem, these two problems are related to cube roots of unity. What? Cube roots of unity. Okay. So what is cube roots of unity? Now suppose if you look here, x cube minus 1 is equals to 0 is a cubic equation. This cubic equation has three roots. One real root and the two complex roots. Okay. So from this, usual values of x are 1 and the other two values are, from the quadratic if you solve, you will get that minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. So this equation has three roots, one real root and the two complex roots. Okay. And usually we represent those roots as 1 comma minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is one value, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is the other value. And usually this minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is noted as omega and it automatically becomes omega square. This omega is automatic omega square అయిపోతుంది. This is somewhat cube roots of the concept of cube roots of unity. And already we discussed in our synopsis video. వీటి నుంచి based on omega what we have అంటే we have omega cube is equals to 1 is one relation and the other relation 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. These two are the ideas related to cube roots of unity. Okay. Using these ideas now it is easy to answer the problem. Right. First of all, how to answer this? Now when you look at the problem, this is equals to minus 1 plus I root 3. And from this, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is omega. Then the numerator minus 1 plus I root 3 is 2 omega. So this is 2 omega to the power 15 divided by, okay, I will write denominator, wait a minute, plus minus 1 minus I root 3 power 15. This minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is omega square. So minus 1 minus I root 3 is 2 omega square. 2 omega square power 15. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇదంతా మన బ్రెయిన్లో ఉంది, వీటిని డైరెక్ట్గా యూజ్ చేయాలి ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ టైం ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, నో నీడ్ టు రీకాల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ హ్యాండ్స్, ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ టు ఆన్సర్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, నౌ హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్ డినామినేటర్? ఆల్రెడీ ఐ థింక్ ఇన్ అవర్ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ we did this 1 minus I whole square. What is 1 minus I whole square? You just square it. A square is 1. Minus 2ab is minus 2i plus b square is I square. Look here, I square is what? Minus 1. Okay, so this minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. We left with the minus 2i. 1 minus I whole square is minus 2i, but here we have 20. 20 is 2 into 10, right? So 1 minus I whole square power 10. That in the sense this denominator is minus 2i power 10. And this denominator is 2i power 10. So finally this given problem is nothing but 2 omega power 15 by minus 2i power 10, as well 2 omega square power 15 by 2i power 10. That's what we need to simplify. So this is equals to, this is 2 power 15 into omega power 15 divided by 2 power 10 into I power 10, plus this is again 2 power 15 into omega power 30 divided by 2 power 10 into I power 10. Since omega cube is equals to 1, so omega power 15 is also 1, omega power 30 is also 1. So replace this omega power 15 as well omega power 30 with 1. As well, we know that I square is equals to minus 1. Since I square is equals to minus 1, what you say about I power 10? I power 10 means I square power 5, which is equals to minus 1 power 5. So I power 10 is equals to minus 1. So we need to replace this omega powers with 1, this I powers with minus 1, and then we need to simplify this. I am erasing this cube roots of unity concept. Okay. And now this is equals to 2 power 15 by 2 power 10 is 2 power 5 into this is 1 and the denominator is minus 1, plus 2 power 15 by 2 power 10 is 2 power 5, numerator is 1, denominator is minus 1. So this is minus 2 power 15 minus 2 power 15, so minus 32 minus 32 minus 64 is our answer at the end. So the value of this given complex expression is minus 64. Okay. Instead of using concept of D movers, it is better and it is easy to answer this question using concept of what? Cube roots of unity. Okay. Have a look.
Roots కనుక్కోవాలి సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఆల్ఫా
Okay.
బీటా
Next problem. Alpha, beta are the roots of this expression, kada. So first of all, try to find out roots of this. If you find the roots, what will happen means x is equals to minus b means 2 plus or minus minus 2 plus or minus root of b square is what? 4 minus 4ac. A is 1, c is 4, 4 4 is 16 by 2. 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Minus 12, okay. So x is equals to 2 plus or minus root of minus 12. Root low, if there is minus sign in the root, it becomes I. Root 12 means 4 into 3, that means 2 root 3i. So this is 2 root 3i by 2. When you cancel out this 2, okay, or you just I do one thing. I will rewrite it like this: minus 2 of minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Is there anything wrong? See, denominator 2 is just as it is. So from these two terms just pick out minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Okay. Minus 2 into this term is, see, instead of plus or minus you may write minus or plus, no problem. But this minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 is omega and omega square. So from there, since it is omega and omega square, the roots are minus 2 omega minus 2 omega square. That's what we need to identify. By writing the roots of this given quadratic using this quadratic formula and by connecting with the cube roots of unity omega and omega square, the roots will become minus 2 omega minus 2 omega square. Now to find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, alpha is minus 2 omega to the power 5 plus beta is minus 2 omega square to the power 5. This is what we need to calculate. Minus 2 power 5 is what? Minus 32. This is also minus 32. Minus 32, if you pick it out, omega power 5 plus omega power 10. What is omega power 5? Omega cube is 1. So omega power 5 is omega square plus omega power 10. Omega cube is 1. Omega power 9 is 1. Omega power 10 is omega. And what you say about omega plus omega square? 1 plus omega square is 0. So omega plus omega square is minus 1. Minus 32 into minus 1 and our answer is 32. So the answer for this problem is 32. There is the problem. Okay. So these are two simple problems related to the cube roots of unity. And these problems help you to understand the way of using cube roots of unity in solving different problems of complex numbers.